Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. Doing well. I am an expert in Microsoft Excel, Word and PowerPoint. In today's video, I will guide you through the assignment. Working process in very simple and clear way. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. You never miss any of my upcoming helpful videos. Let's get started and move to the word.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So Excel chapter 1 EXP 19 Excel chapter 1 how assignment. Okay, the office system. I went to the project description. Let's start the step 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name EXP 19 Excel chapter 1 how assignment. Okay, the office system. Jaren has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the fill name, and I move in the Excel. I have already downloaded this Excel file and back move to the Word screen. I have complete this step 1 and I move to the second step. Find all occurrence of amount and replace them with price and move to Excel screen. Control H amount price, replace all done. We made to replacement. Okay, close and back move to the Word screen. I complete the second step and move to the third step. We went to use autofill to enter a series of code representing the year 2021, the month 9 and a number 2021 900 in cell B6 and use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B7 B11 and move to the Excel screen and code 2021 900. Put the formula all cell and complete the third step and move to the step 4. The OK Office System workbook contains spelling errors that need to be correct. Use Excel to check the correct spelling error in the worksheet. Move to the Excel and review spelling. Yes, change all. Close, spell check complete. You are good to go. Okay, and back I move to the Word screen and complete this step 4 and move to the step 5. Move to the step 5 and the worksheet contains the cost and retail price. You went to calculate the amount of markup in cell D6. Enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the difference between the retail price and cost. Copy the formula to the range D7 ratio D11. Retail price minus cost. Move to the Excel screen. Is equal to retail price minus cost. Enter. Put the formula all cell and complete the step and back move to the word screen and complete this the step 5 and next each item is on sale this week. The sale price is X percentage of the retail price. You need to calculate the sale price. In cell G6, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down the range G6 ratio G11. The formula is enter retail price minus percentage of retail price multiply 1 minus percent of. Move to the Excel. Is equal to retail price bracket 1 multiply retail price present of bracket close. Enter. Sorry. Is equal to retail price shift multiply shift 1 minus present of bracket close. Enter. Put the formula all cell and back move to the word screen. This is complete the step 6 and move to the step 7. The profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as a percentage of revenue. The formula first calculate the net profit between the sale price and the cost and divided that by the sale price. In cell H6, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range H7 ratio H11 is equal to sale price minus cost. Move to the Excel screen. Is equal to sale price bracket sale price minus cost. Sorry. Bracket sale price minus cost bracket close multiply present of sale price. Enter and put the formula all cell. Complete this step and back move to the word screen. Complete this step 7. Move to the step 8. The filling cabinet are out of stock, therefore you should remove that product from the list of product on sale. Delete row 8 that contain the filling cabinet data. Move to the Excel and select the filling cabinet cell and left click. Delete the filling cabinet data and complete this step 8. move to the step 9. You went to insert a row to display the heading furniture above the furniture product. Insert a new row and 8 and type furniture in cell 8. Hold the word furniture in cell 8. Move to the Excel and insert furniture. Furniture and bold this home, bold, and cell 8 bold. I complete this step 9 and move to the step 10. Column A is too narrow for the product name. You want to increase the width of column A to 28.00 and move to Excel screen. Select cell A, left click, column width, remove 28. Okay, and format as table. Sorry. Format column width, remove 28. Okay. Complete the step and back move to the word screen and complete the step 10 and move to the complete and move to the step 11. The 32 card monitor product is below the furniture heading. This product below in the electronics area. You will move to the monitor product row to be above the furniture heading. Insert a row above the furniture heading. Cut the 32 curved monitor row and paste it in the range A8 ratio and move to the Excel screen and cut. Insert cut cell. Cut cell and back move to the word screen. Complete this step 11 and move to the step 12. The worksheet title should stand out permanently on the worksheet. Merge and center the title over the range A1 ratio H1. Apply the accent 1 cell style and change the font size to 14. Move to the Excel screen. Margin center and size 14. Size 14. Cell style and 1 back, move to the Excel screen, apply the and complete the step 12 and move to the step 13. The column heading on row foreshadow be formatted to improve the appearance of the worksheet. Word text and horizontally center the heading in the range A4. Apply blue stand 5 leather fill color to the range A4 ratio H4. Move to the Excel screen,